Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the history of HTML. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of HTML. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used for creating web pages and applications. It provides a way to structure the content and define the layout of a web page, including text, images, links, and other media. The history of HTML dates back to the early days of World Wide Web. Here is a brief overview of its development. Number 1. HTML 1.0. Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of World Wide Web, introduced HTML in 1991 as a simple markup language for sharing scientific documents. HTML 1.0 provide basic formatting elements such as headings, paragraphs, and lists. Number 2, HTML 2.0. In 1995, the Internet Engineering Task Force, or IETF, published HTML 2.0 as an official specification. It introduced new features like tables, image embedding, and form elements, allowing for more complex web page layouts. Number 3, HTML 3.2. This version, released in 1997, brought significant improvements to HTML. It added support for frames, image maps, and better table formatting. HTML 3.2 also included the introduction of cascading style sheets or CSS for styling web pages. Number 4, HTML 4.01. HTML 4.01 was released in 1999, introduced further enhancements to the language. It included support for scripting through JavaScript and improved form handling. HTML 4.01 also brought new structural elements like div and span. Number 5, HTML XTML or extensible HTML is an XML-based version of HTML. It aimed to bring HTML closer to XML standards, making web pages more accessible to other systems. XHTML 1.0 was released in 2000, followed by XTML 1.1 in 2001. Number 6, HTML5. HTML5 is the fifth major version of HTML, was introduced in 2014. It marked a significant milestone in web development, providing a wide range of new features and capabilities. HTML5 included native support for audio and video playback, canvas for drawing graphics, new form input types, and improved semantic elements. It also enabled better cross-platform compatibility and reduced the need for browser plugins like Adobe Flash. Number 7, HTML 5.1, HTML 5.2, and HTML 5.3. Following the release of HTML5, subsequent versions were developed to add new features and address issues. HTML 5.1 was released in 2016, HTML 5.2 in 2017, and HTML 5.3 in 2018. These updates introduce elements like picture for responsive images, the dialog element, and various APIs or application programming interface for enhanced web functionality. Number 8, HTML 5.4 and beyond. HTML 5.4, also known as HTML Living Standard, is an ongoing effort to continuously improve HTML. It involves regular updates and additions to the specifications, adapting to the changing needs of web developers and users. Newer versions of HTML may be developed in the future to accommodate emerging technologies and advancements in web development. It's worth mentioning that HTML is often used in conjunction with other technologies like CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity, creating dynamic web experiences. The evolution of HTML has played a crucial role in shaping the modern web as we know it today. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about the history of HTML or Hypertext Markup Language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this presentation. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.